Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CR-V that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the instrument cluster is located. Stay with us, we'll explain. You guys have two different fuses in two different fuse boxes. We will explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from. That way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience, guys. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CR-V from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So the instrument cluster fuses, where they're located, guys, let's explain that on a 2015 Honda CR-V right here. You have two different fuse boxes. We're working both of them. The first one that we need to open is on the inside of the Honda CR-V. And if you look upside down above the dash on the left side, all the way there, guys, you will notice that you have a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. But before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here there is one fuse that we need to check, then we need to go to a different fuse box, and that fuse, we're talking about fuse number 5. This is a 10M fuse, fuse number 5 right here. Then you need to open the hood on your CR-V. Under the hood, guys, right here is your engine management fuse box. Open that cover, you will see that layout here. Now if you zoom in a little bit, come to the front, that first fuse right here on the very front, guys, of the fuse box, that's fuse number 29. That's the one that you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.